Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I'm Professor George Scarpin, PhD in Accounting, and our topic today is capital investment decision, net present value method using the NPV function. There are a lot of ways to do that using present value function or using tables. Personally, I don't like tables. It is more about textbooks than real life. But today we are working with the easiest way to do that. That is called the NPV function or net present value function. So when we talk about capital budgeting, the process of making capital investment decisions. And capital investment means acquiring a capital asset, such as equipment, plants, vehicle, information technology, etc. So four methods: payback, accounting rate of return, net present value, that is today, better for longer lifespan, and here the longer the better, and it is measured in currency, US dollars, euro, yuan, or Brazilian reais, that is my home country, etc. And internal rate of return. So our topic today, net present value. So and by the way, we have videos about all of these other methods, and the videos, they are in our video description. Okay, but let's go to our Excel file. Here, our Excel file. And we have payback for the payback video, accounting rate of return, another way to find the net present value, and our video today, and the internal rate of return. So the same Excel file for all of our videos, and all our Excel files, they are free, and the link to download it is also in our video description. So the net present value, what do? We compare the present value of the annuities, for instance, 5 years, with the initial investment, the cost of this equipment, for instance. So is the present value of annuity less initial investment. Initial investment for both, $1.5 million, and the net present value, let's make it pretty, is the present value minus initial investment, so negative $1.5 million for both. And we have another easy way, that is the profitability index. That is the same as net present value. However, instead of being present value of this annuity or present value of net cash inflow less initial investment, it is present value of net cash inflow divided by initial investment. And then initial investment is here, the $1.5 million. And the present value of net cash inflows is the present value of the annuities. So, okay, how do we find the present value of annuities? Let's go. Formulas, insert function, all. Net present value, NPV. So let's go here, NPV, formula. What do we need? The discount rate, 8% here. Now the values, value 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, they are here. So, okay. No negative numbers, positive numbers. If it is PMT, FV, PV, and so on, so that is the regular time value of money formulas. So here, present value of this annuity, $1,796,000. Initial investment, $1.5 million. Net present value, a positive number, so we should accept this project, 296, and the profitability index, 1.2. But if they are two projects or two equipments and we can choose only one, we need to decide for both if they are positive, and we will pick the greatest one. So we do the same here. However, we have a problem on equipment B. We have residual value. So on the fifth year, it will not be 50,000 anymore. It will be 70. So we can do here, let's copy and paste the 4 years. And then the last one, 70. So when we combine here, total and residual value, it is the same total as our equipment A. So both here, if we sum it, now it is the same 2,002,050. So it's the same equipment B. And this 70 is 50 plus 20 combined. Oh, pretty, huh? So now the present value, the same present value. So formulas, insert function. Now, most recently used, the NPV will be here. Rate 8. Now the values, we can go on two different ways. So first 8, and then 6, and then 4. Very useful if they are not in one column or one row that we can select all of them. But that is not good for us because they are all in a sequence. Here, never select the total because it will duplicate. And then let's do the same format with no cents. $1.9 million. And it is better, but the total is the same, but we get more money earlier. And that is what the time value of money is. The earlier you get the money, the greater will be the present value. So the net present value will be greater, as well as the profitability index will be greater. And here we get the same decision because the cost of the equipment is the same. The initial investment is the same. So both will give us always the same conclusion or the same decision. However, if the numbers are very, very different, for instance, let's do here, let's divide by 10. All of the numbers divided by 10, for instance. Divided by 10. So here, all of numbers divided by 10. Let's see what we have. Initial investment, 150. Present value of the annuity, NPV. Discount, comma, the numbers, another way to do that. 190. If we can see here, divided by 10. Now, it is only 40. So the 296 will be greater. However, when we go to the profitability index will be greater. So when the initial investment, they are not the same, especially here, one is 10 times greater than the other one, we can get different decisions. But if the investment is the same, we will always get the same decision. Okay, guys, easy, huh? The net present value is an amazing formula. So, guys, thank you so much. Questions or comments, leave them here or email me at jscarpin@gmail.com. Have a very nice day and God bless you.